Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by today and spending a few moments with me. I hope you enjoy this video, and this video is from Beautylish, and this is a decent sized box. My address is nowhere. I just slit the tape, and this is a mystery box from Beautylish of Jeffree Star products. I thought long and hard about getting his mystery boxes that I guess were for the summer, and decided no, they were a lot of money and I was afraid of duplicates, and I read good reviews on this mystery box, so hopefully I don't have too many duplicates, but if I do, I do. So I'm just going to slit this little sticker, and I think this was $75 if I'm not mistaken, which I do believe I am correct. I just want to give it a little slit there. I don't want to totally trash it. So let's just open this up and see what's in it. I'm excited. Oh, there's like all kinds of wrapping. Get rid of this Oreo. Go lay down, baby. She's down. And this is what I see. So let's just, again, go lay down. See what we have here. There's a little packet here. We'll do this first of samples from Beautylish. Oh, that's nice. I didn't know they did that. So, Good Molecules, Rose Water Daily Gel. Oh, I wanted to try some Good Molecule stuff. And it gives you a little card. Oh, okay. A gentle cleanser to balance and brighten your skin. I've seen so many commercials and want to try them. I love The Ordinary, but I wanted to try this too. So, now I'll give it a shot. Let's, oh God, I don't know what to do first. Let's see what this is. I think this might be a mirror, so let's open this. Yes, it's a hand mirror. It is sealed. We'll do this first. I do believe that's, and then I have a packet here. Mirrors are very nice. Let's open that. That's not the only place it's taped. Let's see which one it is. I should have known with the Shane Dawson. This is what it looks like. That's adorable. That's big. Ooh, that is nice. I love it. His mirrors are like the best quality. I did get one from Lurella that was close, but his are just awesome. So that is at the bottom of the box. So now that I have that, oops. Just going to try to get this box off of the table. Put it behind me, maybe. Okay. So now let's see what's in this pack. And this is all taped up? Maybe I can just pull it open. Yeah. And let's see what's in this. It's a big bag, like a big bubble bag. So we'll take everything out and see what's in here. I'm excited. Just trying to take everything out, make it a lot easier for myself. Well, I don't think I have that palette. That might be a duplicate, so we'll get rid of this too. So we'll save these. Oh, I know I don't have that palette. Let's do this first. Jeffree Star. Obviously, this is a velour lip scrub and Diet Root Beer. So this is the package. Ooh, Diet Root Beer. How awesome. I'm trying to take things from the bottom so I don't destroy the box right away. So this is the Shane Dawson one. I guess Jeffree Star Diet Root Beer. Let's see what that smells like. Nailed it. That is root beer. Forget the diet part. I don't drink soda, but that's really nice. I like that. Then we have here a Velvet Liquid Lip in Ryland. Here it is. Been loving the pinks and the berries, but I always, oh, that's really nice. I like that. Let's just see what that looks like. So it's a like shimmery, glittery. So it says liquid lip or something. Oh, shake well. I guess I should have done that. There's a lipstick. Okay. Let's make sure that's on tight. Happy to have that. Then we have these 3 boxes. So these 2 the same, well, the same style. So this says Magic Star, and this is, does that say a liquid concealer in yellow? I didn't know we had concealer. Of course, I trash boxes all the time. I didn't know he had concealer. Look at the packaging. Beautiful. Wow. I honestly didn't know he had concealer. So it's nice doe foot. Let me see. Oh, just touched the lip. It might be, I don't know, yellow sometimes. I love like the yellow powder. So there it is on my skin. If you were to blend it, that might, you know what, that might hide some of like dark. Yellow usually, just trying to get that off, hides like blues, and so that might be a little bit much. Like I blended it in my hand. That might not, I don't know. I won't know till I put it on my face, honestly. Let's put that there. Now I'm going to have that everywhere. So these 2 both say the gloss, and one is Dirty Royalty and one is Sky High, as you can see here. So these might be ones that are like not super wearable. We'll have to see. I'm opening them the wrong end. Easy end, but the wrong end. So this is just, which I will leave there. Just, you know, you can see the packaging. You know, just a gloss, which I'm perfectly happy with. This one scares me a little. Let me see if I can open this box. Got killing myself to try to get it out the proper end. Yeah, just destroyed the box. Ooh, that might be a little difficult for me. I'm not sure. I mean, it could be a base and maybe with another color on top. I honestly just don't know. Oh, that's pretty. That's not bad. You can see it right there. That really is not horrible because it's a gloss and it's not like a full-on lip. And then I have Mini Orgy, which I did buy in the buy one get one, and that was one of the palettes that was chosen for my giveaway. So I will keep this one because this is a good travel size. You know, oops, it does have your protective shield. So since I'll keep this one, I'll show you. So this is Mini Orgy. I do have the full size, but you know, it was the winner's choice to pick. So I'm happy to have that now for myself in the mini for travel. And then I have the Thirsty palette, which I do not have. So that is great. Glad I don't have it. You know, I have, I think, 5 palettes. Oh, nice. Definitely think this is worth the money. Ooh, that's pretty. And there is little wrapping on the mirror. There is a nice thick protective shield. This is a nice palette. Some of the shades are a little bright for me, but still fairly decent. I like that. I've been loving the silvers. I don't know about some of these like metallics in there. The yellow probably no. Sometimes these blues and like teals are not that bad because you just go in lighter with them. Sometimes I like to use them to darken my outer corner instead of always like dark purples or dark browns or anything dark. Use something with depth. I mean, there is a nice chocolate brown there. This is really nice. I like. So we have the Thirsty palette, the Orgy palette, which I'm fine with. 2 glosses, pretty nice. And then this is the concealer, which I'll have to play around with. As it's like, it's really not, but it could disguise some darkness. As you can see right, I don't know if it's showing right there on this side, but it's sort of, I'll have to play with it. I mean, it goes on underneath makeup. I can put it maybe underneath or apply another layer of foundation on top just to hide it a little bit. And this beautiful pink, and this was liquid lip, I do believe, and this, love it. And then the mirror, I definitely think, and the cute little sample from Beautylish is nice. I wanted to give it a try. I definitely think it's worth it. I mean, the palettes are probably $50 on their own, and I know the minis are like $28 or $30. So right there, I mean, you know, it pays for it. So the mirror, and then all these other, you know, lip and the concealer, which I didn't even know he had a concealer, basically free. I'm pretty happy with this. I probably won't do this too often. You know, Jeffree Star is a splurge for me. But I wanted to see what was offered in the Beautylish mystery box versus me spending this money on one of his boxes. And maybe getting a duplicate of like a big palette. Like I don't mind the mini orgy palette because like I said, the winner of my Jeffree Star giveaway chose that. I have the big one, so I was fine. But now I can have one of the smaller ones for myself on a personal level to travel with. So tell me what you thought of this price-wise versus what you get. I've never ordered from Beautylish, I don't think. I think that was the first time I ordered from them. So I'll keep an eye out for other brands if they do like mystery bundles or mystery boxes, things like that, and just see if it's, you know, if it's a good value or not. I'm going to start reading reviews when it comes to that stuff. I don't want to get stuck with products I know I will never use. These things are kind of expensive. If it was a $25 box and I had to give everything away because I didn't like it, I'm not out close to $100. So that's just on a financial aspect. So I'll watch reviews and watch and see what's going on out there. But I hope you're all having a great day. I appreciate all you watching. And I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.